Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making cinnamon biscuit bites. Now I already have this on my channel, but it's a really old video, not the best quality. We're gonna do it again. They come out really tasty. Let's get started. So first you start off with some canned biscuits. Just the regular canned biscuits that you find at the market. I put a little bit of flour on my surface. Okay, so now I'm going to just cut these in fours, like this. I'm gonna get one piece with my clean hands and just make them into round circles. So easy. Just like this. There we go. Now when it comes to these canned biscuits, I would use the regular ones, not the ones that have all those layers. I don't know, just a little easier. Now let's go to the next step. Right here I have two bowls. Right here I have a little bit of melted butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and cinnamon. Okay, so here's my butter, here's my cinnamon sugar mixture. You're gonna mix this part. Okay, I'm going to mix this, make sure it's nice and mixed. Okay, now we're gonna get one of our little round things, these little biscuits. You're gonna roll it in the butter, then roll it in the sugar. Simple. Now you have a nice cinnamon thingy right here, these little cinnamon bites. I'm going to continue that. Now let me show you. This right here is my little cake pan. I'm going to start putting them in my cake pan as I butter and cinnamon sugar coat. There we go, you guys. There are my biscuit bites. They're ready for the oven. Okay, so now, according to the package direction, oven 375°F or 350. Any biscuit from 11 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna start checking them at about 9 minutes because these are smaller, until they're nice and puffy and cooked through. I have my oven preheated, so let's go. And here we are. This is 11 minutes, 375. They're cooked, they're nice and expanded. Look at that. So I'm gonna let them cool off just for a little bit. And then I'm gonna add a nice glaze to them. You don't want to put the glaze on them when they're hot because then it seeps into the biscuit and you really don't see the glaze. Does it still taste great? Yes, but I'll do that in a few. I'm going to let this cool off for a little bit. And this is how I know that they're done. Nothing sticks to the toothpick. So I want to make a little glaze to go on top of my biscuit bites. This right here is 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And it's 2 teaspoons of regular milk. Now it might be different for you. It just depends on what climate you are at. So start with 1/2 teaspoons when it comes to the milk and just make it to whatever your desired consistency is. So now we're going to pour this on top of my biscuit bites. Just like this, you guys. Just pour it all over. Yummy. Yummy, look at that. These come out so good, you guys, with some milk or coffee. Yummy. I didn't want it to have too much sugar on top. They already have plenty of tasty sweet. So 1/3 cup is perfect. Okay, you guys, these are my little biscuit bites. They are so good. 11 minutes $3.75. Perfect. These are so good with coffee or milk. Very, very easy little dessert. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Cinnamon Biscuit Bites. Take care.